Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Firstly, before we recite the Quran, there are some manners we should all know. Make sure that you have wudu. Say the ta'awudh before reciting the Quran, like so. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the accursed. Also, recite the tasmiyah like so. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Pay attention and recite carefully. Also, use your right hand for touching and following the text. Let's begin. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. My Lord, expand for me my breast with assurance, and ease for me my task, and untie the knot from my tongue, that they may understand my speech.